Congratulations on your new vehicle purchase. We've had a couple of customers have questions on the block heaters for the 18 Equinox and Train, so we decided to do a short video explaining how to use them. For those of you who aren't aware, the block heater is to keep your vehicle warm in the middle of the winter, so you plug it in and it keeps your engine and oil warm enough so that the vehicle will still start. So in the Equinox and Train, you'll find them under this panel here. It's just like this. You pull off the tab on here. This is the part that goes into the vehicle. Then you've got your regular 12 volt. It's right in the front of the vehicle over here. So you'll find it right on the front bumper. You plug it right in. And then this just gets plugged right into the outlet. If you're ever in a case where you forget that it's plugged in, it'll pull right out as you're pulling out of your driveway. It won't wreck your vehicle. If you guys have any other questions or concerns, you can contact the dealership at any time and we'll be able to give you a hand. Congratulations again on your new vehicle purchase.